And are you in prison right now?
Yes.
Okay. What's your expected release date?
Well, this case doesn't expire till year 2027, but
Okay.
I see the parole board soon coming up, so they'll go from there.
Okay. But right now, just 2027 is what you're thinking, right?
That's expiration.
Okay. All right, Miss Phillip.
Yes, Judge. Before we start, I just wanted to let the court know that we're here on a confirmation of arrears and motion to modify. I believe Mr. Irving has requested DNA testing, but I would just state that the Office of the Attorney General is opposed to DNA testing on this case since Mr. Irving has already been established as the father.
That's right, Mr. Irving. I can't have a hearing on DNA testing. This is a 2017 order. And so we established paternity in 2017 or 2018, whenever the court order is dated. That's too long ago. So we're
Who's
not DNA testing. We're here about what your child support should be and what you owe for back child support. Let me further add, Ms. Fuentes will serve May 13th, even though she's not present. We're going to proceed with the default. All right, Ms. Phillip, go ahead.
Okay. Your Honor, the state calls the father Malik Irving. Mr. Irving, could you state your full name?
Malik Irving.
And sir, what's the name of the child involved in this case?
Lotus Fuentes.
Okay. And sir, is it correct that, you were ordered to pay child support and medical support in this case?
I did not even know about child support till I filed for my stimulus, and then they took it, and I said, "Oh man, I'm on child support." So that's when this came about.
Okay. And sir, is it correct that you're incarcerated at this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so sir, would you be in agreement for your child support for current support to be modified to $0 a month beginning November 1st, 2023? And sir, I just need a yes or a no from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And sir, are you in agreement for your medical support for current medical support to be modified to $0 a month beginning November 1st, 2023?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
November 2020. Will it be November 20? Wait, today's the 30th.
Yeah, so it would be starting the first day of next month.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. And sir, I'm going to share my screen so that you can see a copy of the pay record involved in your case. And I'm going to scroll to the last page and then zoom in so that you can see it.
Okay.
Can you see the pay record involved in the case?
Yes.
Okay. And sir, is it correct that as of September 30th, 2023, that you owed $15,025.18 in child support arrears?
I'm looking at it now. It says 15,000.
Okay. And sir, the state's requesting a judgment in that amount. Are you in agreement with that, or do you disagree?
A judgment with the amount?
Yes.
Yes. Like to like. I don't understand what that means. Judgment, like you guys are gonna go over it or to.
So,
I get. Yes, I'm agreeing to judgment with the amount.
okay. And sir, the state is requesting a judgment on medical support arrears of $7,488.13. Are you in agreement to that judgment?
Yes, it's here.
Okay.
Yeah, but I was saying like I've been incarcerated since 2021.
Yes, and Mr. Irving, the issue that we have is that we're not able to retroactively modify your support. So we're only able to modify it going forward. So that's why we have to modify it beginning in November.
Okay.
And sir, the state's not requesting a payment on the judgments at this time, since you're incarcerated. So we're not asking for you to pay off your arrears at this time. Okay. Is there anything else that you want to tell the court, sir?
No, no, not really. I mean, I couldn't do the fraternity thing because after all this had happened, when I had got the marriage, it was like 10 days later she left. And so I don't know what she been with, what she did after that. So that was probably
Sir, you'll have to consult an attorney on your own to try to address that if you want to contest paternity in the future.
okay.
Okay, pass the witness.
Our default judgment granted, so we're stopping your child support and your medical support. And then we're just confirming what you owe from the past, from the prior order, not ordering any payouts because you're unable to make payments at this time. When you get released, notify the Attorney General's office. When you get working again, notify the Attorney General's office. You will need to be making payments on these arrears. And at that time, we'll also need to modify to set child support again based on your wages at that time. All right, the Attorney General's office will draft an order for me to sign. I'm not sure if they'll be able to get you a copy since you're in prison. But that's what we're doing today, at least trying to stop your arrears from getting higher because you're incarcerated. It will accrue interest, so that it will go up, but it won't go up as much because we're stopping the current amounts for the future. All right, you're done with court, sir. You can your officers can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.